member say be
what am I dollar beba ho nti ma me ma no so kakra Chidi so to e dan bubu enipa
Chidi who here we are na the hospital
yes yes say President Mahama the plight of this incident na enipa high na oti chopper mu na oti wiem say obesi form na wa solidate with this nipa omo asemi we ato omo na wohwe wo na kosi mensa ka bifa Chema Rollins okay obia wo ne dia wo ya de kai no but Mahama ankasa de ni nipsen ka optics de wo ya de but when they say wa fail na honorable am the correct word for optics na me hwehwe the tree word pa we hwe animu yeah but we say word ni tree a chepa
infinimu
we hwe animu yenyemo se ka so bi hwe animu a nipa wo ho no obeye
infinimu asem
so yes okwan we no obefa so na nipa torrential see atu nipa in fact as at now non confirm they say almost nearly 50 lives and you lose.
Well, see obia okwan a ofa so a o approach issue obu on ma opese ono de okọ ono okohwe obu ono opese o tena se na mo ye dem model report na be na ne nyina ye tena se dem analyze issue. This issue ni see no was the places are flooded, so definitely the president moves with security and all man for mobile phone. So they thought it was then why don't you fly over to see how the situation looks like? But after flying over, no, I was expecting him saying,
"Yes, that point now, no, take chopper no money, mo dey power ground."
Me say after flying over, no, I was expecting him say, "We see an anakwasa na ntiare akọ hono, how the situation here dey, the what's in Komoya yedi 2 weeks ago we this and come no say ebekwa ba sabisi asem na ye den ye kan so see ebetina wa ni nsu aye den asa ato na yiri 2 weeks ago no nkoma na yeti ani yedi. Why is it say as a country we are not proactive but we are always reactive? Yes say be reactive so and yes had the politics in social say you won cry enye no. Some of the videos now circulating 1995 the whole of Accra allowed you na yiri.
But there has been progress.
There has been progress. Some come there has been progress, but the flooding has it stopped?
No,
it hasn't.
That's worsened.
It has worsened. So why is it say we knew say it was engineering problem, but we politicize it? We know say it is attitudinal problem, but now there are politics. Knowing well say World Bank Zika untimi nfa but now there are politics amama for bi agye.
Yes, Sicily da pa da kwahye dem.
How?
And then you know that
yes.
Communicator where you university about TV so.
How? Because as we chemi I mean jindi. Wa bra I know say World Bank Zika no release it to send IMF mu ya no trenches and san no mo no. And the World Bank the $1 cry air kobe ofolo obueding ofolo. Now, over the years you know we failed as a state when it comes to solving this problem. I say I didn't see na anywhere na be say bibia mo bia won say
knee jerk reaction,
but we don't take in the long run. O say you see an Accra congested, so you are coming to move some of the government institutions.
Was it 20 years? You can years
outside the
20 years time.
Greater Accra region. Now the question you need to ask yourself is say, we find it difficult to succumb to change. That has been our problem. On our here. So we see market for I don't people find it difficult to move there.
Of course. It takes time.
So you relocating some of the government institutions.
Look at my is scared.
So you relocating some of the government institutions outside Accra. Does it solve the congestion problem? It doesn't. Because we've over the years in the economy in Accra. So everybody is moving into Accra. So once they are moving into Accra, what has been the plan? No, you said this is an area, the land in so talk Accra be a bit making. What has been the plan? So if say Nippon does one, why don't we change our architecture? You know, yes, it's no. yen go cause Amsterdam is sitting at Insuoso. Omo nua shisha asase for 400 years. But until said then be a So if people are coming to Accra and it's getting congested, why don't you rethink? Knowing very well, say we find it difficult to succumb to change. Now, as you see, institutions now we hear what's the assurance that the people will move from Accra? Because yet Accra and Accra say transfer because as punishment. Then how much transferring an institution from Accra to baby I feel and nipa say bet now. And nipa no ba why do you say anyone in the family never baby on kwa na be adwuma. Don't you have friends here in Kumasi when they are being transferred omo kwa nyom kwa na eko. Their wife and omo na so ntia. So the problem is not about relocating these government institutions, but it's about finding long like a permanent solution and not a long-term solution. Other river no, and then a sense what has been over the years. Yatima and as team.
Well, Chidi, I can tell you, say this flood and then the loss of life we are self-inflicted. Because
we could have done something.
Honorable was talking about Garrett, and there's another one called Gamma. Okay, all those contracts was terminated.
And once the World Bank support your terminated contractor. A chance and waiting
around January last year, someone now a chief of staff letter sacking you pass seven. They are not part of Ghanaians. No, Gamma was a contractor and was part of the friends say storm drainage from. He was talking about Nima Apollo. That was under the Gamma. Okay, it's all those things, and then dredge masters were doing their Odona. But dredge almost 20,000 tons or so of waste. Now, would stop it dredging for almost 2 years, sir. It fills up because I also cut it down. I also top so nearby, also bet it down because top and baby choke or down there, it overflows. You understand that? It's our thing, say we have to take the politicians on, say at some point, we shouldn't leave everything just try near try near propaganda, not your fat. As I now, I was talking about Cecilia Dapa. And he probably did say, Accra because of Cecilia Dapa.
But it's never true. The World Bank now, Ababa Catcher say, is because of fiscal discipline now.
Until recently, we never knew.
Nobody knew, say in a echo. So it's about time incidents here. Injuries are politics and propaganda because we are talking about human life. Because we in Sony and I want to say in Sony Titi on ball and ever attitude. The person in him say, "Adia me as soon as or Kosoye."
Attitude no, but my mensa musabi. Zoom line contract nature only impacted their brain. What was the last time I feel ball? Onya Abubu Yaman Befakwe. What they are saying,
you need to find places a bit me
exactly. And yet, ball and who say calling you and you can damp you. If you know, will suffer fear. And what we fear is here, ball I hear PC or Yababe 8 sacks. Yeah,
it's because first na Zoom Lion efa ball Zoom Lion contract easy the burden on the assembly. It na assembly casa no more so a municipal assembly near 2 cars aboso kan mechu mienu a near the rural mantemu e de complement abobo ya na dwuma a omobaye no. Now here is the case oba ba bit say so am Zoom Lion oni ho a yentimi nya car no mfama afiefi baby ananka principal streets Zoom Lion plan the one e de car no be yes adwuma no enti pressure we afiefi mu kra be san akoso.
Okay,
it's as simple as that.
Okay,
Martin. Now as a country going forward yin guys are optics for the cameras baby and so nam so be sit down on we should stop. The Oma permit and I was a channel. Cheado. That area, honorable Nimoa. And once has a body. By flooding this year, no. Amount full fee.
Covering.
It tells you, say, drainage system now, one in it is here, Chroma, amount for if you could. We check
one thing we want some fire in course. Say areas ne flooded, and in your minana, drainage systems in you. Obi ho man now had the volumes of water a far odonem. Now a spill over. masa wo drain ni ye kra na obe
flood no
makes sense
because don't forget the circle ni nyina flood na baby an ono so ensuo ni be pe kwan atwa mu akọ baby no ebe pushi akọ na because the volumes ni rise pe emfa ho ni baby a wo bi ebe to akire ayi baby te say kaneshi sa drain a o man complete ni ya ye ne no so ya de silt e no so a o se no so no odo de ni nyina no south kaneshi de no e wo the same enclave e ho be flood ni pa cha what ase achi motor side no e no so be flood enti eye the silt na ya anye enti wey volumes will rise or have volumes will rise or enti mo first class residential areas amo ya mu drains kama no ebedu baby drain ketwa no nsuo ni bebu nkama fa so eno ankasa will be submerged eno also taking nsuo no kra no nsuo na no enum be taking no what you say enti mom ye mfa nkwhye drains President Mahama's inability to be proactive
and I'm patch mama me fan kwhye human attitude me na me say me compound ho no ayi that's been year 2
yeah
ayema abroso over 2 months obi ema me so ni ba bia me de ko say nwumre isi beto na se gota bi da ni mo na metime hwe egu mama me fie ho mframa na sesa okwabra ne ebe hwe egu ento wada to aso
na me kan siso say nye obi akra na be kwa indiscipline so okwohwe egu if ka akra mpo no
isi ho no tam ka de ko na bola
it's most of it e bola ya keep you ofie because we are not having more some be fa kono omukwa say friends dam site ni nyina ayema
madam Cecilia Dapo mo bonitris no when my dear sanitation ministry ne san ye on say ye wo bola bia e no ma ye so nyina hipiten ministry ni dwumadi ba ko no to where ya most of the
traditional ballers
most of them most of it
mikrum ni nyina mutui
at no cost to the assembly a ministry no and efasa aka ni nyina omo de ne say my sites ne ye may evacuate ball animal sani oma we nyina akọ so ba ya appreciate ya hunu sunsun sanso it is here the new man Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo any NPP yeah in terms of say your sanitation no you be managing here don't now they compare UK no enye yi yeah we they compare US ne Belgium mu enye yi but your so ne ye de yeah at least ne a movie several steps but they say President Mahama bai NDC for nya kukodo no mo meka nkyere me ade a waye e dey contributed to enhancing your sanitation situation see a retrogress ya omo ma meka nkyere ye ko yachi
going forward and I think say President Mahama should retract and then decouple friend say chieftaincy and then local government emfa what honorable said say 1 billion 700 and something for just 1 ministry 1.8 billion and then you are giving 18 million and then 9 million
what about that
I was it was not tasso
that's
waste management comes with a cost
very and an honorable okay
yes
say Akufo-Addo made budgets for it
what do we want say I join an normal feeling
yeah
Echo Georgia side
yeah
okay plastics are the equipo honoma you need to find we to be plastics ni and no we as are the quay recycling near you kuruma no see bebre
Chidi my musa wadwe for the Thanksgiving service na enko the next topic of
well see na me hokra na December trying see wade ni na ho kwan so ni nya na eden efa time okay Ecclesiastes or say there are times one seasons a time to be born and a time to what can't be a baby idea
reach on
Yakopon they be a danasi and okas what to say that as well I said as well or no problem because only say nipa in the time I need a woman people needed the president it is so be an that's the time we hear now ukunu elbeding and now be the ebe more a carrot teachers and because psychologically no okay I think say we could have postponed the event see a tuasheda and I see a nyanya crowd due to ABCD we want to make time to the people more affected by the floods we want to make time see a share by a partisan approach Say na be a bit me ayden asolve na mprimprin ya pesca dey ayden e dey ato anyo maybe was here to aso na say dey was here chance ayden e chance but say great Thanksgiving serving mind you I'm a Christian. I'm never against thanking God, but the people that you are leading know say it is a secular state and yet purely
only my dear Bible no wanka say asem to me wo ko da nyame asem
Mame.
what you say o say asem to me papa ba kra na me fa aseda ma nyame because no nenim do
Yeah.
ba bone ba eno so me fa aseda ma
no.
eti me na to yerem tema to me no me na me ka kire Awurade say Awurade ebi mu kra ahwere wo mu enso me de ma lusu me nioma kra wo de me nkwa achem
Yes.
Enya Mahama na ukoda nyame ase on my behalf. Wo dan yabubu.
After 32
Enu no secular state. Enti je obia na je o faith no edi. Enti insensitive say obekọ akọje as
na se mo de ani je.
White.
Enka we ye kọ no. Instead said no more program e kra sa wo be Thanksgiving na. Sabi enya ni fa na ebo wo mo intercede.
Yes.
Sa Awurade yenim se wo na aye wadwuma. Di abanie sabi se bi mabi okura mpa o mani oma o mahwere no me so o makoma mu bua wo mu no mu intimate restore o mu back to o mu previous year na asem ne ba besim ka wo kono ka bia ka o she black who say wo sympathize with the people mo she white say the worry in election as we di lotto as na wo bompa say bibi sa besi
very sensitive in fact.
No,
very,
this
very
is not right.
Who was saying get your coat no?
black in it
As a condom, I was showing
Is the president no be today say the
red tie, white shirt, black suit.
Yeah.
It's a condom. I don't use a condom.
But see, I remember also